Hello and welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. This is going to be a little bit different to my normal videos, well, a lot different really, because I am going to be doing Couch to 5K. This is what the app looks like. Don't cry! And that was just my dog crying because he wanted to go out, because he's ready to go out on his walk and we're going to take him with us. It's me and my partner doing it. We're both going to do it together. So I'm just going to get changed and we're going to go out. So this will be week 1. Got some new shoes to help. We just got back and we actually started on week 2 instead of starting from week 1 all over again, and it went better than I thought it would. That was 90 seconds running, 2 minutes walking I think. We're about to go on week 2, day 3. Just got back from week 2, day 3. Like I said last time, we skipped week 1 this time because we already done week 1 before and we thought it'd be alright. So I don't know if we're going to be going on a week 3 day 1 next time, or do week 2 day 3 again. As you can see, I didn't take any footage while I was out, but this is proof of how unfit I am. We're about to go on week 3 day 1, and I found my bum bag. And it just about fits, but it's right up here on my waist instead of down there. See you soon. Just got back and this isn't all sweat. It was raining. We didn't have the dog with us this time, so I was going to take some footage, but it was raining. So this is a new week now of me and my partner doing Couch to 5K. I will have to get some footage of us both this time. But we ran for 3 minutes. I didn't think I would be able to make running for 3 minutes because it's 3 minutes. But I did it. The first section of 3 minutes I thought I was actually going to die, and I wasn't probably going any faster than just walking. But I didn't stop. Yay! Week 3, day 2. We're about to go out. It's really windy and rainy. So I'm wearing this. See you on the other side. Week 3, day 2. This hurts. This hurts. This hurts. See you in the next one. So we just got back. Well, we've been back a while now, and we were debating whether to go out running, and we thought no, and then we said yeah, and then I noticed it was pouring down with rain, but we're still gonna go. But this time I'm taking this first. Hopefully I'm not going to be as bad as last time, but I'm taking this with me, and I'm going to try and breathe through my nose, even though that will be impossible, to not breathe in the cold air. So this will be week 3, day 3. See you on the other side. Just got back from week 3, day 3. It went better because I took my inhaler. So that wasn't a very good end to the video, so I thought I'd add an extra little bit, along with some kind of bloopers, kind of just put in because I wanted to. So this is what the app looks like when you go through. I'm just flicking through them all so I can get an idea of what it's all like. That's a 28-minute run now. Will I ever get that? I don't know. and then you just start running for 5k, and you can even go to the 10k if you wanted. So just flicking right through, you can see you started from week 1 all the way to week 4. And we're going to take them with him. It's me and my partner. We've done... Okay, we just got back. See you in the next one. Bye. Right there. Wondering what's this, because I don't know.